Thanks everyone, and we really hope that the day was fruitful and you guys learned from each other. Now it is the main agenda. Why we had this session is because we wanted everyone to know how people come up with the solution, and then we have no, we see what else everybody has done. Okay. So the flow, I have just ordered the teams alphabetically. That's the simplest way I have done it. So we start from, and I don't know why D has come before A, but yes. So we'll maybe because of the space. Okay, so we'll start with D square. Then we go to Agnes. Then I think an individual AI we don't have her today, but yes, in from these team names, if people representatives are not there, we will skip that team and then we'll take the next one. So we have 2 minutes to go. We are not clocking it, but just be respectful of others' time, and then just put your ideas and your elevator speech in 2 minutes. Okay, and then once you're doing it, please share your camera if possible, and share your screen with the PPT that you have, the one slider that I have shared it with you. Okay, and it's okay if it is not prepared. That is also all right. Don't be worried at this point that if you don't have that one slider ready, you can just switch on your camera and then you can put your ideas here. Okay. And the thing is, we have shared the invite of this meeting to people who wanted to just view. Okay. And we have our judges also. We have Harry who will be joining in, and we will have Mrudula also who has promised us to join this session. Okay. So it will be kind of a preview for them to see, okay, what the teams have come up with. Okay. And then there is also people's choice that we are going to ask people to vote for the team that after listening to your pitches. Okay. Yeah. So let's start
यार
with
वाइलो
One
मुझे एक
one
भेज देना और मेरा
Shaka,
टीम को वोट
yes,
कर
yes.
देना, ओके?
1 second. So apart from viewers, so that link you are pasting here, Vishaka, in the chat, Google form link, voting.
The feedback form, no, right now I have not pasted it yet.
Yeah, before they start, you need to paste that, right?
Acha, I'll do that. Yeah.
And yeah, so it is for viewers also, and other participants can also vote for others.
Hmm.
Okay, so she's going to share one link. Uh, you start. Don't submit after for all the pitches. Just give your rating, and then in the end only submit it.
Yes.
So that's like
So
the audience choice award kind of thing.
Is the
okay.
link for viewing shared already?
No, no, she's sharing right now. She will ping in the message.
It's right away. Here you go. This is the form. Okay. And just before we start, quickly, maybe just try it and let me know what do you guys see, if there's any issues, access or anything.
It's opening.
Okay, great. So here we have listed all the teams. Okay. So you have to just search for the team name and then rate there, five being the highest and one being the lowest rating. Okay. All right. So let's start with D square. Mm,
Yeah. Hi, Vishaka. Bhavna this side. So I'll just share my camera and my, let me know if you're able to see that. Hope it's visible. Yeah. So like what we did was when we saw the problem statement, it was like we thought, ki, okay, this is doable. We are two team members. And we thought of a promotional plan first because it was going to be a one-pager sort of thing. So we did a catchy promotional plan. It was sort of a brochure that we tried to put all our ideas into it using some intuitive way of some graphics and some pages and images sort of thing. And we tried to put all our 3-4 ideas the way we're going to promote the TWT website, how we're going to do the promotional plan, whatever we wanted to have. So it was one thing that we planned for the promotional plan and we executed it within the time. I mean, by 1:30 we were ready with that. And then we started off with our next part, that was our we decided a quick start guide for the TWT application. And just we had glanced through the application and we saw the pages, whatever were coming, and we jot down some points and then drafted the TOC, and then we just worked on it simultaneously. One was working on the images part, and the other person was working on the content part. So we just collaborated everything together at last, and we came with a 6-pager QSG for the second deliverable. And here also we try to include a lot of graphics, because this is what we feel that if users are given more of graphic information in a graphical form, it is more useful. So, and it's more readable. So that's what was our idea. That's it.
Thank you, Team D Square, and best of luck for you for the evaluation phase.
Thank you.
Okay, so next up is Agnes.
Yeah. Can you guys see me and hear me?
Yes, yes.
All right. Let me share uh, our 2-minute pitch. Can you guys see the slide? Awesome. Cool. Okay. So I think people have expressed their emotions about the time and everything, so I won't go into that again. So yeah, working with the same restrictions, I must say we had fun with our solutions, and of course we went from ground level to all of the complicated solutions, and then realized classic is always the best. So the innovation here is that we kept it very classy, focused, and simple for our solution, which is for user assistance. The app is quite easy to navigate through. It's more social and not very technical or formal, right? So we have kept it very light and very easy. And we have used video bites wherever possible to cut out on the content and actually give more visuals to the user. So the navigation flows instead of just, instead of having to read through steps, they can actually see what's going on screen. And the promotional plan, you will see a lot of the common elements across all of the promotional plans. Yes, we have social media coming in. Yes, we'll have content messages, etc., etc. But I think where we have been able to innovate a little bit is uh, sort of go back to our roots of where and how we are as tech writers, right? Tech writers sort of flow towards tech writing. I don't think there was anybody who started off knowing that they wanted to be a tech writer. We always start with writing. In fact, we start with reading and then we go to writing, and then we sort of gravitate towards tech writing because it makes the most sense and it's the most fun. So we want to go catch writers at their most comfort zone, which is where they read, which is all of your log the boxes, your book fairs and your job fairs, wherever reading and writing go hand in hand. So we would like to go uh, as part of our promotional pitches, take the app and its options and the world and community out here in the form of tech writing there as well. So that is one little innovation you will see in our solution. We have a mix of both social media as well as in-person, strategies in place. It's not always social media. As writers, we read a lot, we interact a lot. So we would like to bring in-person social interactions back. Hopefully, our promotional plan will do that for the app, and that's where we're at. And good luck with the app, and good luck to us, I guess, giving up in this.
Thank you. Thank you, Team Agnes. And I'm sure your solution would be great. Okay. So I think, do we have a team from AI? An individual? I think no. Let's go ahead with avant-garde. Mm, okay. People, I think she's not there. So binary wordsmiths, please. Do we have team from binary wordsmith?
Just mark the teams which are not present. Probably somebody may join later.
Okay, binary wordsmith. Birds with a pen, please. Oh,
Vishaka, avant-garde here. Can I pitch?
yes, sure, please.
Yeah, sorry for the delay.
No worries.
I'm sharing my space.
Yes. And you can share, if possible, your video as well.
Yeah. Seem to be having some issues sharing.
Okay.
What's the issue?
The share button isn't enabled.
Oh, that's interesting.
Do you
Okay,
have
then can we move to somebody else, and I will just check in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
Yes, or else I'll share it here. I have the link.
Yeah, that you can do,
Right.
right?
Okay, I'll do that. And Shalaka, if you're around, could you please make a note of teams who are not presenting so we don't lose a track? Okay, and just confirm if you are seeing this slide.
Yeah, we are able to see with the.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me go to the next
Yeah.
slide.
Yeah. So I should say the name avant-garde is a misnomer for today because I couldn't implement many innovative solutions. But having said that, I stuck to the more classic approach of uh, going straight, hitting the target straight, having the presentations, having the content simple and concise. So as far as the promotion plan is concerned, I actually uh, try to bring in what kind of value addition this app would bring for writers on one side and companies, content creating entities on the other side. So I try to pitch in the advantage and the value that this app would bring in for this kind of audience so that people would be interested in trying out and probably utilizing even the premium features going forward. So that was the idea behind my that's the content, the kind of content that went into my promo plan. And I stuck to a flyer kind of design layout. That's the USP. So it becomes more attractive for people who on first look, it looks very attractive for people to uh, just peek in and see what really is in store. And I also came up with building up the hype kind of a plan, a list of things that prospect like users could do uh, for the grand launch event that we would be having sometime in January. So the build up and the list of events that we would have a list of events or probably the forums and the interactions that people could have, that writers could have, companies could have uh, before they can actually participate in the grand launch. So that is what I planned and I wrote in the promo plan. And as far as this um, guide, I stuck to a practical user guide, a 3-page guide, I guess. So with all like a basic navigation of the essential features of the app, the web version of the app, and yes, I managed to add many screenshots. I wanted a video, but I couldn't. I couldn't manage the time well, so uh, yeah, so I had special uh, like concern shown for masking confidential data in screenshots. So that was something that I like proactively did. and have a lot of screenshots, and so it's become very it becomes very easy for the user to just see the screenshots and get to work without having to sift through the content and spend more time. So this is the USP of my user guide.
Thank you, Vidya.
Thank you.
Thank you. And let's go. Do we have team from Binary Wordsmiths now?
Yeah, hi Vikasha.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi, Afreen. Yes.
yeah.
Please
Good
go ahead.
evening
You
to
can
yeah.
start your screen share also and your video if possible.
Actually, we have never created you want me to share my the document whichever we have created.
The one slide, if you have ready, or that's all right. Like I have given one slide, our solution, the innovative factor, and the type of deliverables. That slide. If not, that's also all right, Afreen. Let's if you are comfortable, please switch on your camera and then you can pitch your solution.
Actually, I'll just go with the pitch of the solution. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, good evening to everyone present here, and I'm Afrin from Binary Wordsmith. So we have created marketing plan and quick start guide for the TechWriter Tribe application. Sorry for the inconvenience because of the time constraint, we have created only a quick start guide for the application. So, firstly, we have created a quick start guide which gives an overview of the application, its features, and who are the readers for this guide. And secondly, we have given step-by-step guide to install the application in computer and Android device as well. And also, we have given the login, how what are the things required for the login credentials. Moving to our our marketing plan focuses on using the internet, such as social media and webinars. So to increase the awareness of the app, and also it aims to reach people in the real world by collaborating with others, placing ads in magazines and participating in conferences. So the strategy which we have brought up enhances the app's credibility, so helps to build a community of users and contribute to the overall success of the application. So yeah, I'm done with my pitch. I'm so sorry. This was a last minute preparation. That's what I just concised the content.
No, Afreen, it was like I understood like from your pitch. And please don't be sorry about it. It was a good Saturday spent, I hope, and you have learned from this experience. And yes, after your speech, I think we feel that okay, you have given thought for the solution, so that is perfectly all right. Okay,
Yeah,
and you
thank
have a
you.
good evening and enjoy other presentations. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So birds with a pen, please. Next, do we have team birds with a pen? Okay. If not, let's go ahead with busy bees. Busy bees was. Hmm, I'm just checking the names.
Suyog.
Yeah, Suyog. Are you there, Suyog?
Yeah,
Okay, great. So you can share your screen and if possible, you can switch on your camera.
I won't be able to switch on the camera
Okay.
because the laptop is docked. However, I can share my screen. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So for our solution, we've looked at the deliverables. We've created a promotion plan for the website, the web app for 2024, and we've come up with a user guide. So then in terms of the content model, we've shared something which was already there, something which is new to us. Um, and for the new thing, we've focused our promotion plan for 2024 on the free tools because cost factor is also of great importance when it comes to planning marketing activities. What we have focused here is on using those tools to drive engagement and reach. Specifically, tools like Buffer, where you can add up to 3 social media handles and You can schedule your posts so that you can, I think in the free tool, you can push up to 10 posts in advance. So every single day or every single week, based on the frequency, you can push those posts. We also have recommended IFTTT, where we can link other social media handles and trigger posts so that when we push one post on one social media handle, it automatically gets triggered from the other handles. So then that helps us optimize the cost. As for the user guide, what we've focused on is creating intuitive content that flows. So the content here, if you look at it, none of the pages, the instructions run um, for more than one page. You don't have to scroll up and down. So it's not too much of content, but it is just enough for you to be able to use the web app correctly. That we think is our biggest innovating factor, because the content is simple, it's differentiating, and it is unique. We thought our USP is simplicity. Also because it's too much to discover in one single day, and based on what we've zeroed in on, I think free tools and a combination of content which is more instructional in nature, um, the content becomes both usable and effective. This is what we were able to achieve in one day, and we sincerely hope that you like our honest attempt.
Thank you, Suyog. Yeah, it looks very good. I mean, it's quite attractive for 5 to 6 hours of effort. So best of luck. Let's
Thank you.
go with Team Cell next, please. There is Sayed. I'm not sure whether he joined in today. Sayed, you there? Okay, let's go ahead with the Content Wizard. Content Wizard is Arun Kumar. Okay. If not, then Doc Ninjas, please. You don't have Sonal. Sonal was around. Yeah. Okay. Then Feme Aus. Do we have Kumarika Mohanty? Okay. Then let's go with Flying Solo. I'm not sure whether Nada joined in. Nada,
I missed
are you
out.
there?
1 second, I missed out in between. Dogstar was there.
Docstar, right? Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
So
So yes, so just for people to vote, we are now looking at the submission from Docstar.
okay, I don't know whether I'm clear or not because of the light problem. 1 second, I'll just share the thing. Yeah, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so like first time I was working with the promotion plan, so I was thinking like putting a lot of effort in that only. So I just managed to create something like which will be facilitating for multiple purposes. Like I created a GIF so that like it can be used as image also, like GIF also. So in website also we can use. So in Crisp I have covered everything in that only, like a brochure I have made. So that is one thing I did. Then the other part of it, like user assistant materials, I couldn't do much on it, but I tried to make it in one picture by giving multiple details in one this thing only. What I should tell, multiple details in kind of one image only, like mobile car thing, and like kind of should tell, like in a web app also what is happening both sides I try to involve in one page, and introductory things I have given in one page, and then like the features I had listed in the next page, so that it will be like by seeing the screen only, like people should be able to do then, but whatever they want will be given in the other pages. yeah, that's it from my end. But like, yes, as everybody told, like time constraint was a factor, and the promotion plan was pretty new to me. So I like lot of effort. I was thinking like how to make it better because it was the first time I'm doing. So time was invested on that. But cool, it was a great experience. I tried to do best in that. Like, yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Darshana. Yes, that's the idea, that we learn something new, and hopefully you enjoyed the day and
Yeah.
learned something new on along with it. Okay. Thank you. So this was Docstar. Now, do we have Feme Aus? Feme, sorry, I forgot. Okay, Kumarika Mohanty. Okay. Then IBS, I think, yeah, IBS team is there. Um, Gopika, Anusha, Jitin, Roshni, Archana. Anyone from IBS team? Okay, so let's say next is Minions Unchanged is the team. Let me just see. Sorry, we don't have anyone from Minion Unchanged. Indie writer. We think we have Sneha.
Yeah, hi, Vishaka.
Yes. Go ahead. So, people to vote, we have shared the feedback form, and now we are taking Sneha's team, that is Indie Writer. Yes, go ahead, Sneha.
So yeah, good evening, everyone. Uh, my topic was, I'll share my screen. Vishaka, can you confirm if you can see my screen?
Not yet, Sneha. Yes, we are able to see your screen.
Okay. So my solution for today's Docathon was TWT app enhancement that includes, introducing ebook for registered users on TWT app. This will, also help the readers across the globe to, download and use it as a handy guide when you require something to, check. And the reviews on TWT app for the ebooks, which will also, help and boost the TWT's contribution towards technical writing. And yeah, it is also an addition for authors to get recognized in global platform. So this is all I had. Um,
Thank you,
Vishaka.
Sneha.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
thank you. So let's go ahead with the next
Vishaka,
team. Yes. Yeah.
Vishaka, this is Roshni Anand from IB's team. Sorry, I
Okay.
couldn't join earlier when the call
No
was
worries.
made.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Can I go
let's go
ahead?
with IBS. Yeah, yeah. Please share your screen and if possible the camera, and I'll note that we have IBS presented.
Yeah, sure, sure,
Okay.
sure. So Vishaka, just confirm, can you see my screen?
Not yet, Roshni. I can see you.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes, I'm able to see now the, yeah, I'm able to see the screen now.
Yeah. Okay. So hi Vishaka and hi the entire TWT team. So good evening. So today was the Docathon. This was the first time that me and my teammates were going through this innovative marathon, document marathon. Okay. And I will introduce my team members as well. Myself, Roshni Anand. There was Jitin Satish and Archana, as well as Anusha Nair. So we were a team of four. And what we have focused for our presentation here is while making the user guide, we were very focused and clear. So we tried making this user guide like user friendly and keeping in focus, keeping in mind who the users are to be, we have made this user guide. So our language is very simple. We have not included very complex language as well. And the type of deliverables that we have done is a quick reference guide. And our promotion plan, as it suggests, like it is very user friendly, and it is basically focused on it is not focused on a specific section of the society. Anyone who is interested in knowing about this is welcome to come, and he or she will be able to understand without any complexity of understanding any of the words or the languages that has been used in understanding this concept. Thank you, Vishaka.
Thank you. Thank you, Team IBS, and best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. So next we have proto-synetic, please. And
Yeah, hi all. Can you hear me?
yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm unable to share my screen because I had an emergency. I need to travel. So I'll just pitch my codes over here over phone, if it is okay with you all.
Yes, sure, sure, friend.
Yeah.
Is it Frenil or Shankar? Sorry,
Yeah, it's Shankar.
Shankar. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So we came up with this promotional document with a strategical approach, we can say. And we initially, had a research on how things happening and all, and we made an executive summary with our core values, and we have added some mission statements and vision, and we performed a SWOT analysis as well as a competitor analysis. So we have made that kind of a report kind of thing which will be useful. And coming to the user guide, so actually we won't call what we have prepared it as just as a user guide. We can call it as a user handbook, which includes, as well as installation, as well as a, go through or a tour of the application as well. So we have able to add a small video kind of thing like how to log in and how to install. So that's how it starts, and we, as everybody knows, within this time frame, as I know, like we got to know, like the application has a vast area where we can include so many things, but in the limited time frame we just had in a aerial view of all those stuff. So that's how we have done this, and kudos for the team, all teams who participated, and it's a very much appreciated thing. We should do this much more often. So all the best for all, and a special mention for all the volunteers behind this. Yeah, thanks for the support.
Thank you, Shankar, and wish you a safe journey. So let's go
Thanks.
ahead. This was, yeah, people who are voting. The feedback and viewers who have joined to see the Docathon participants pitching their ideas. The feedback form that is shared, it is only the feedback has to be based only on the pitches that you hear now. Okay, so the Shankar's team was proto Synatic. Okay, and Roshni's team was IBS. All right, so now let's go ahead with the next team, that is Record. So do we have Reshmi, Anjali, Suzanne, Subha or Shanub
Yes.
here? Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, all. So I'm Rashmi from Record team. So we have created a promotional guide and also a user guide for the TWT app. So why user guide? It's because when you launch a new app, it's always good to have a good understanding of the product, and so that is why we have decided to go for a user guide. So I'll share my screen. Okay, so we have come up with an innovative factor also, that is a QR code which is linked to the user guide page in the website. So this QR code is nowadays almost all the apps come up with the it's a very intuitive and a very user friendly. But there are people still they want to go through a user guide for a good user experience and troubleshooting. That is why we have thought of this innovative solution, this QR code factor, because you need to generate the QR code of the page where the user guide is uploaded. This is a one-time activity, and you can use the same QR code for multiple campaigns, online and offline. So there is a reusability factor also. So, and this is very easy to share this QR code. You can share this QR code with anybody, and it is compatible across any platforms. You can share that. So that's why we have thought of this idea. And I guess anybody can you can even now you can if you have a mobile phone, you can scan this QR code and you will be guided to the user guide where the page where the user guide is embedded. So you'll always get the latest copy of the user guide because the QR code is generated for the page. So that is the innovative factor we tried to bring in. So that's it from our side.
Thanks,
Thank
Rishmi.
you.
Thank you. So for people who are voting, this was team record. And now do we have right insights? I think change makers, we don't have the team here. Right insights team, please. I have to check
Yes.
the members here. Yes, Jyoti, yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sri Jyoti, along with my colleagues representing the Right Insights team from Insight Software. Please do let me know if my screen is visible.
Yeah, it is rendering now, Jyoti. Just a minute. Yes. I see
Yes.
a Word document though.
Okay. Okay, I don't think I'm presenting the right one. Okay.
Yeah, I see that you have to pull that PPT here.
Yeah, pull the PPT. I don't think.
Yes, now it is.
Sorry, my screen is getting delayed. I think I have the presentation.
Yes. Now we are able to see your solution. Yeah.
Okay, right. So, whether you're an inspiring writer looking to break into the field of technical writing or experienced professional seeking to brush up your skills, Technical Writers Tribe is the place for all of us to learn, write, and grow together. The Rise Insights team is presenting you the promotion plan and the user assistance guide we developed. Our deliverables stand out for their comprehensiveness and community-centric approach. We came up with a trendy title for the promotion plan, Tribe Rising, the Tech Writers Tribe Kickoff. Our promotion plan is focused on multi-channel strategy, adhering to the sustainability standards. We made a 7-day plan in promoting the application, and this includes utilizing not only the traditional methods like email marketing and social media campaigns, but also incorporating modern techniques such as webinars and quiz contests. Then the user assistance guide is developed with a fragrance of innovation, and it is evident in its design and content. It is designed to assist both new and experienced technical writers, making it a versatile tool for all members. We created a guide with an easy step-by-step process and also included quick videos for people to understand how to use the application in both web and mobile versions. After all the great collaboration and learning we experienced together today, I would like to quote, "We are right insighters and we provide the right insights for our product documentation to succeed." Thank you, organizers and volunteers, for bringing us on this platform. And it is a great learning for all the participants and our team, especially the Right Insights. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jyoti. And team who are voting, the team name that Jyoti presented is Right Insights. Okay. And I will share the feedback again so that people who have joined later, they also see that. Okay. So next team, do we have Sensei Dossers here?
Yeah, Sensei Dockers.
Okay, Dockers, yeah. Yes, Saurabh, go ahead. You can share and then you can start though.
screen, enter screen. Just let me know if you are able to see the slide.
Yes, it is visible. Yeah.
Visible, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So good evening, everyone, and without further ado, I will just like to say so just like to share our journey and the solution that we crafted for the Tech Writer Tribes application. So as a team, our journey began with studying the application and spending an initial around 30 minutes immersed in its features and functionalities. So this basically this crucial step allowed us to grasp the essence of the Tech Writers Tribe application, setting the stage for our innovative solutions. So for the promotional plan, basically recognizing the importance of the robust promotional strategy, we drew inspiration from our collective experience in our organization, specifically during the launch of our in-house product. So leveraging that experience, we drafted the promotional plan document for the Tech Writers Tribe. And this plan, rooted in proven strategies, aims to basically elevate the visibility of the application within the tech writing community. So that's the how the entire plan of the promotional plan basically. And then for the quick reference guide and video, we meticulously structured the guide, creating a dynamic table of contents that serves as an intuitive roadmap for users. So this ensure that anyone, regardless of their familiarity with the within the application with the application, can efficiently navigate and extract the valuable insights. And the last output that deliverables that we uh, mostly focus was about the quick video. So the quick video guide. So in today's world, I believe that mostly people like to view videos, and that's the reason we created around 2 minutes long video in which we innovated by creating the our storytelling and our storyboarding basically we created, and then our storyboard basically served as the backbone guiding our team member responsible for the video to create an impactful visual story. So what truly sets as a part in our commitment to efficiency is our commitment to efficiency and setting target times for each task and delegating target tracking our progress kept us on a timeline, ensuring a timely delivery of high quality content. And lastly, in conclusion, I will just say that our innovation lies in reinventing the wheel, but it in refining it also. So we have collated our collective organization experience and structured the content for ease of consumption and infuse creativity into every aspect of our solution. And lastly, I will just take this moment to thank my entire team basically, to Balaji, Sunita, and Pratna. Thanks to them, I totally understand how it is difficult to work on a Saturday. So thank you, my team. That's all. That's all I would have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh. And thank you for yeah, for everyone here, like spending the Saturday, the complete Saturday with us. But we really hope that it was worth your time and efforts. All right,
Yeah.
so team who are voting, this was Team Sensei Dockers. Okay, now next we have a team Clear and Concise. I think Team Alpha, there's no representative, but if there is, please let me, please ping me here. So next we have Akash and Shweta.
Yeah, hello everyone. Let me turn on my video. I do not have anything to share.
Sure, Akash,
Yeah,
that's okay.
okay. So yeah, hi everyone. So I am Akash from Team Clear and Concise, and I teamed up with Shweta. So our deliverables were a promotional plan and a detailed user guide. So I can say the plan that we provided is also detailed for the promotion. It is a 4-week plan, and we categorized each week right from the pre-release to post-release, and what will be the activities that will be conducted each week for the promotion. And we also supported it with providing templates for the promotional teaser and a release announcement that can be used as an email announcement as well. Then for the user guide, we took a task-based approach, which is more intuitive, and we had the titles, which are again intuitive, and the user gets to know what he can do with that application rather than just going with the traditional approach of a UI based, which kinds of seems like explaining the UI. So that we think is more a simplified way of for the user to understand the what he can exactly do with the application. In the user guide, we used supported it the content with GIFs and images as well, wherever we thought it would be a good reference for users. And along with that, the detailed user guide serves the purpose of content reviews. So we have sections where particular sections can also be taken out as a content reviews. Let's say we have FAQs, and that can serve as a FAQ document for a user, or a getting started section can serve as a promotion announcement using the overview section like that. So I guess, yeah, that's all that we have. And again, yeah, thank you organizers and TWT. It was a fantastic experience running behind the time. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Akash. And I hope Preeti got your elevator speech. She joined right on time.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we have team Ani. Do we have Anita?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Anita, go ahead. You can, if possible, switch on the camera and then share your screen.
Okay. Let me share the screen. Just a second. I had pulled it up, but I'm sharing this right screen. Oh, just a second, because I have a different thing. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for the hold up.
No problem, Anita. We understand you had a very busy day. So
No issues. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
It's visible. Okay. Yeah, so it's Team Ani, but it is just Anita who's working on this. So hello everyone. So basically, when I looked at this problem statement that we have to come up with what you call marketing strategy for this. So I thought of doing that under several categories, like a pre-launch activity and a post-launch activity, because considering that okay, we have 1 month to go for the release of the app, so I thought we can do some pre-launch activities wherein something like we create a landing page and on the app, considering this is an app on the Play Store and things like that, we ensure that we have the right download install. Like, see, because whenever we download an app, we go ahead and look for the star rating, the reviews, and things like that. Now, since this is a new app, because I have faced it several times that if it's a new app, I don't find any star rating and reviews. So how would we go and encourage first-time users to download our app? So we should come up with some intuitive way of so encouraging, like at least the first time users should not be thinking that, okay, this is a new app, then how do I go ahead and download? And of course, another thing, what the approach is another approach like email marketing, like TWT has email IDs of all the users, so we can send some emails marketing our app, and of course using the social handles like what other participants mentioned about, and creating some promo videos about the app. And also, one more thing, what I thought was that usually what we do, if there is something new, like we go ahead and write some blogs and probably talk to some influencers or something so that they could bring up preferences of our app, and that will probably increase our backlinks. And also this will increase SEO of getting the domain authority. So usually driving some SEO traffic to our landing page and all the meta handles. So in that way, we create the awareness of the app before we release it. So that is what the promotional plan I thought about. And about the deliverables, what I thought was that I just saw the app on the desktop and on the mobile. So initially, when I saw that like I felt that it would be good for me to have a product tour of the app, because usually when we look at some apps or any new tool, they have a product tour as to what is what about. Because I see the way the menu items are planned out in the desktop is a little bit different when the way it is done in the mobile. So I thought a product tour using their software, like I think WalkMe, or there are some good ones that probably we can do that, and some tool tips on what each of the menu options are, because usually we go and check if for tool tips on new menu items. And of course, the help center, like we could have something like a help center where we could have detailed information on how to get started and things like that. And of course, when we talk about the help, what I planned was that it should direct users to an online documentation website, so that when you update the documentation, it is on just on the website. And it's not like the actual help is downloaded on the mobile. It's not packaged with the app, so it will save some space for the app. App is not bulky. Okay, so this is in a nutshell as to what I planned for a marketing strategy and documentation deliverables.
Thank you, Anita. And yes,
Thank
it
you.
was quite the ratings part, and when you spoke about SEO, that is definitely something which we have to consider while we are doing the marketing. So using the internet and social media to our advantage.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So next we have team Vyasa, please.
Yeah, its next team is Terminator. Would you like to ask them or?
Yeah, no, we don't have representative from Team Terminator.
Okay, sorry. Then I'll go ahead. Scale my screen.
Yeah, sure, Ashish. Yeah. Take your time. You can share the screen and then start.
So are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, yeah, and we see the PPT.
Yes. So hi everyone. This is Ashish from Team Vyasa, and I was accompanied by my friend Shubham Single, and we've come up with like 5 deliverables actually. So it's a detailed product plan. We have also come up with a social media post. We come up with one flyer and short web page about installation in Confluence, and single page FAQ. So I'll just show you the glimpse of it. So this is our product plan, and this is our like a web page that we came up with. This page is also having our FAQ, and then we have our LinkedIn post, and then also we have this flyer. Now when speaking about this, we have the innovative factor that we have done is that like we have leveraged multiple free apps mapped to this content planning, and like we have put like the status review. We have put multi-language support in our docs. We have got QR codes for app installation within our docs, and we have leveraged the power of free themes. So as you can see that if you see our documentation, it is like everything is free here, and we can like add your languages. You can change your language. So as we expected that like if this let's assume that if this app is used by multi like in other geographies, then they can change the language, and then it will entirely go into some other documentation like which is with that particular language. So you can convert it into Chinese, you can convert it into Hindi if you want, and then you can use the docs. So we have focused on product information and planning, and like we have put end to end. So we have planned about in like during our phases, pre phase during the product planning phase and post deployments. We are also collecting details about what is our success metrics. So even like SEO, like page views, lead rates, and revenue. So like if how a user can really generate, or how this app can come as source of revenue from the user, and how we can collaborate with others. So this was our intention. So we have like worked on this 5 deliverables and come up with this 4 innovative factors in our docs. So that is it from my side. Please give us your votes, and best of luck to all of you. That's it.
Thank you, Ashish. And this was team Vyasa, VYSA.
Yes.
All right. Let's go with Priyanka, team White Tigers, please. Do we have Priyanka on the call? Okay. Okay. Let's give her a minute, or we'll go with why so technical. Do we have Sanchayan? Okay. Okay. So do we have second last team, Word Weavers? Right. Anybody from White Tigers, why so technical, or Word Weavers? If not, then we'll go with Jyoti, Anaga, and Sayantan's team. Right turn.
Hi, this is Shantan here. I don't think Jyoti is there in the call. So
Okay.
I'll just try to give a brief overview of how we have approached our documentation regarding the TWT app. First of all, I would really like to thank TWT team for organizing something so good, because we have always heard of hackathons happening across organizations and even in our college days. But something like this was very exciting. So the approach we took, let me share my screen first.
Sure.
So we created a week-wise promotional plan for promoting. Since we were discussing about it, we thought that we would take the approach of bringing the app to the technical writers across the world in the month of January. That's how we planned a 4-week plan to decide how we can approach through social media and through different policies that can be applied and can be promoted in a way that would be very appealing to the customers or the technical writers across the world. And so we have a 4-week plan, and based on that, we have created surveys, and we have also tried to like induce a docathon itself in the weekly, like in week 3, as you can, if you can see here, which is inspired from TWT's docathon contest as well. That because it can be a way that we can promote it to different writers, that it is something we are doing unique and very interactive, which can actually promote different growth processes across organizations. And apart from that, when we came up with a user guide for the mobile application, which includes the getting started section, the installing section, and the using section. And in each of these sections, we are trying to, when we went to the mobile application, we try to understand what the app is doing and what are the features that it has. So we have the overview sections that talks a little bit about the different features that we are providing through the application. We have key features here. And apart from that, we also have the different sections that are available. For example, if you go to the feed section, so we have tried to give an interactive option to the customers, so or the writers, so that they can take a look at it and see how it is being operated across the application. What are the different features that are there in the feed itself or in the profile section itself? All that is documented in the subsequent sections that you can see here. So we kind of follow the same process in our organization as well. We try to go through concept topics, and then we go through installing, and then we go forward with the using topics as well. But so I thought that it would be much more like it would give an expanded view of how the application is working and what kind of information we're trying to provide to them. So that's how we have configured our documentation, and that's all I have from my side.
Thank you, Santan, and thanks for your efforts and thanks for spending the Saturday with us. Okay, so just a quick check if
Vishakha,
any team. Yes, yes,
can
sure.
you just announce his team so that people vote
Oh,
accordingly?
I'm very sorry. So my team members have been Anagha Evans and Jyoti Birajda. So they are my peers in my organization, current organization, BMC Software. So we work together, and when we got to know about it, about this particular event, we were very excited, and we decided that we should do something like this because as I got to hear the other like presentations as well, some of them were very interesting, like the QR code, using QR codes because it's something that is being used a lot these days. So very innovative ideas I got to know, and I think those can act as inspirations in our coming days as technical writers.
Yes. So guys, yeah, team team right turn with Anagha, Jyoti, and Santan. So when you are voting, it that name is I have also pinged in the chat. It is team right turn. Okay, and with this, I would want to take a quick snap, a quick picture, since it's all virtual. Um, People who are comfortable switching on their cameras, please do so, and then we will start our um, thank you session where we have Zui will take over from here. But just before
Vishak, I have a
that,
request for you.
yes, yes.
Can you please reiterate the names of teams that have presented their products or solutions today? I just want to go over the list so that I don't miss out rating anyone.
Yes, so we had D Square, then Agnes, Avant Garde, then Binary Wordsmith, Busy Bees. Uh, just I'm doing it with my memory, okay? So if I'm missing out something, please correct me, guys, okay? Then we had Doc Ninjas, Docstar, IBS, Indie Writer, Proto Cinetic, Record, Write Insights, Sensei Dockers, then Team Clear and Concise, Team Annie, that was Anita. Then we had Vyasa, Team Vyasa. Then we had last was Right Turn. All right, and let me see if I can go to different option to take the snap. Okay, stars. No, I don't want that. It has options, right? Okay, no, I don't see group mode and all. So here I will just take a snap. I see there are two pages. So page number 1, I see Zui, Ashish, Anita, Shrutika, Sneha, Akash, Saurabh, Jyoti, and Sayantan. So guys, look at your cameras and give us a good smile. So I'll take. Thank you. I'm just taking a capture here. All right. Now I'm going on to page 2 that I see on my call here. Let's see. I'll just call out your names. Whom I see. I see Darshana, Balaji, Shubham, Reshmi. I see Preeti, and wait, it's changing. It's changing. Oh, now I see only Sunita, Preeti, and Reshmi. Only three beautiful ladies, and others they have switched off their cameras. So, is anyone okay? Let me just give it a minute. It's changing a lot. Okay, so it's Sunita, Preeti, and Reshmi. So give a good smile for me, please. Okay, thank you. Thanks everyone for switching on the camera and for yes, and thanks for spending the Saturday with us. And we really hope that it was a good learning. And we will share a feedback form with all the participants also so that we know what can be improved. And in coming days, in next 2024, in the year 2024, we plan more such events so that we work together and we learn together. Okay, so just few more minutes, last few more minutes, guys, stay with us. So Zui, over to you.
So, hi everyone. I know you guys are very tired and you're wanting to just switch off and go for a cup of coffee. Just 2 more minutes. So, first of all, thank you so much that you spent
an entire day in front of your camera, in front of your PC and with us. And we are really happy to see such amazing people come here, and that too in this number, and you stayed with us throughout the day. So thank you so much. And as our promotions have said so, you guys are going to be evaluated by a very nice panel of judges. I think we have Shrutika with us right now. Shrutika, you can turn on your camera. So our judges are going to be Dove, Harry, Mridula, and Shrutika. So as you see, you are going to have a lot of work. The presentations were really nice, and they've really put in a lot of effort and a lot of work in such small kind of time. So thank you again to the judges also, and you're not going to have an easy time, I guess. Looks like.
Definitely not.
And yes, and we're very happy that Teams was proved to be quite a good and collaborative application today. And finally, a big thank you to Puneet and Vishakha, Rahul and Shalaka, because they have been really planning everything right to the detail, and that's the reason we have such a successful event today. Because if you see the chat, you see it's like every little detail was spoken about, discussed about, and thoughtfully done. So thank you to all of them once more, and hope to see you all again when we get to you with some more amazing events like this. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone. And
Vishakha,
please,
I'm unable
yes.
to submit the feedback form.
What's the error that it's giving you, Anita?
It's asking me to enter my name. It's like when I do click submit, I'm going back to the place where I
Just
have to
see
enter.
that you have rated all the projects, although we did not have everyone presented. But the field, right, rate the teams, all the answers are mandatory. So the teams where you did
Oh,
not see, right, you just click on one, rating one.
oh, so what do I rate myself?
Yeah, you can rate 5. We have to rate ourselves always 5.
Okay. So the ones that didn't present, I marked them as 1.
1, yes.
Okay.
Because it is
Okay.
mandatory, like all the teams must be, they must be rated. That's why it's maybe not allowing you to submit it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. And thanks to all the organizers. This was a real good one.
Thank you, Anita. Thanks for your
Yeah.
support. Yeah. Okay. Anybody,
Thank
any
you for
other
joining.
question, feedback? And for all the participants, as I said, we'll be sending a feedback form and we will be in touch. We will take a look at all the submissions and we will work. And if there are inquiries, we'll get back to the contact that you have registered in your registration form. All right.
Bye,
Okay.
team. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the.
Yes. One more month to go for Happy New Year, but Happy New Year. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll be going on leave, so I just thought to wish it.
Long leave, is it? New Year special. Good. Great. So thank you, Vishakha, Jay, Shalaka, and we are missing Rahul, but yep. Great work. Amazing. And how are you guys smiling so much so far? I mean, I'm exhausted. Wow.
You
Amazing.
might get an email from Microsoft, I guess, today that there's a lot of
The-
activity in your
so
account
much of
today.
that. And I have the feedback form ready for them. That okay. You send me email, I will also send you a lot of things. But yeah,
Thanks for your
great.
bug bash next time.
Seriously. But seriously, I mean, I'm amazed at the patience level of all the participants. I mean, all of them try to do their best and so many ideas. And I'm not sure, I mean, probably one of the participants I don't think she finally ended up submitting the video, but she talked about in-app video. I'm not sure if any of the other presenters mentioned they had that thought covered that, but I mean, a lot of ideas and ideas. Great.
Yes. I think, yeah, mission accomplished.
Mission
So,
accomplished.
yes,
Yeah.
Suyog, do you have any question for us?
No.
No, okay.
Great then. So, okay, take care, everyone. Have a nice one, and I hope to see most of you on the 30th of December when we will be announcing the results and all. And yes, that will be more of a fun activity with results, right? December 30, right, Vishaka?
Yes, yes, right.
So we will be having an event. We can celebrate to welcome the new year together also with that. Great. Okay, so thank you everyone and enjoy the evening and the weekend. See you all again later. Bye bye.
Thanks, everyone. Goodbye.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye
everyone.
bye. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.